to add Google Pay to Uber Eats. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Use Basics. Today on this tutorial video I will show you guys how to add Google Pay to Uber Eats. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the Uber Eats application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you are here on this page, now click on Accounts option at the bottom right corner. From these three different options, click on the second one that says Wallets. Again, click on Add Payment Method. As you can see here, there isn't any option for Google Pay, so unfortunately you aren't able to add Google Pay to Uber Eats. It is because some places and some areas may not support Google Pay method, so you aren't allowed to use it. So in order to add Google Pay to Uber Eats, make sure that you aren't under that restricted areas. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.